Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be upgrading our stock up-pipes from RiffRaff. I just got them not too long ago because my stock up-pipes are leaking and it's possibly losing a little bit of boost. It's something that I haven't done before, and just because I haven't done it doesn't mean it can't be done. It just takes time. Not trying to rush anything, and just do it right. This is why I need to replace it, because it's really wobbly and it's leaking on this side and it's leaking on that side, and I'm probably gonna remove this pedestal, and it would be a lot easier to clean the valley, and it's gonna be hopefully a little bit easier to get to the bolt in the back if I can get it from the bottom. I'm going to try to get it from the bottom. I'm still going to remove this just because I'm going to clean it here. It'll be a little bit easier to clean stuff underneath here. And there's only what, 3 bolts or 4 bolts in here. I think there's 4 bolts on that's holding this pedestal down. And then we're going to remove the up pipe, and I'm going to remove this section first right here, and then I'm going to remove it on the manifold side, on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this guy and try to unbolt it from the top as much as I can. I can probably get to maybe 3 bolts I can get from top and 1 from the bottom. Alright, so I was able to remove these 2 bolts right here from the bottom, and this one's really tight. I think I might have stripped it. I still have to try it with a different socket, but I was able to remove these 2 from the bottom with a couple extensions. I'll show you that in the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this bottom up pipe from the header as well, and then we're gonna finish this side, and then we're going to go to the left side. Alright, so here on the bottom, this is the driver's side. This is the header right here. There's 2 bolts right here that are fairly easy to get to from underneath. And then the top area, I got a couple extensions, and then I was able to reach that one over there, and then this one over here. These are actually not even all that tight for some reason. And then this one. This one's pretty loose too. Well, like I said, I did spray them 2 days ago and then yesterday, so. Alrighty, there we go. And this side, I got the downpipe. I actually loosened the downpipe right here. I loosened it a little bit so it has more room to play on top. There's 2 bolts right there, one right here, one right there. You can get to them fairly easy from the bottom without removing the downpipe or anything else. I'm trying to hold the top part with the 10mm while trying to loosen this. Actually, I think I got it. Okay, that's pretty easy. That was pretty easy, actually. Okay. Yeah, it's actually, they're fairly loose. Like I said, I did spray them, so that helped quite a bit. This side is more difficult than I expected. Okay, well, I can't get 2 hands in there. Let me see if I can rotate my power. Okay, here we go. We're good. Alright. I think we got it. We got it. Hold on, Matthew. Hey, Matthew, what are you doing down there? Are you fixing my truck?
Yes.
Are you putting a bigger turbo?
Yes.
A bigger exhaust?
Yes.
Anything else?
Yes.
More power?
Yes.
More speed?
Yes.
While I was down there, he kept begging me to lay on there to go underneath. Alright, now let's see the top part right here. Let's see if we can pull this out. It should be... Did it really just come out without even me... Look at this thing. The pipe came out without even me loosening the pipe on this side. Alright, so there we go. Now let's take a look at these pipes. So yeah, this side was leaking because I'm assuming this ring right here is already pretty bad and compressed enough to where this part was pretty much compressed all the way in and it was still wobbling. So this section was leaking for sure. And then on this side, I only loosened this bolt just a little bit and then the pipe pretty much just came out. As you can see right here, it just kind of spins in there like that. So nothing is tight on this thing. So yeah, it was leaking quite a bit from here and likely not spinning the turbo fast enough to get more boost. On the RiffRaff pipes that I got, we got new bolts, we got 2 new gaskets, and these will go on here, one there, and then it'll get compressed against metal, and then you got this flexible neck right here that's gonna flex just a little bit if you need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on loosely, and then we'll see how it sits and then start tightening it down. And then once all this is tightened down, then we're gonna go ahead and start reassembling the pedestal and the turbo and all that stuff and go from there. I'm probably not even gonna tighten the manifold side and this other manifold side until I actually clamp on the turbo, because otherwise it's going to be, I think, a little bit hard to connect them together if there's no play in the up pipe at all.
Papa,
Ah,
is that thing just like...
yeah.
I see you moving that.
Yeah.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel, Matthew said. Alright, so this side is mounted. It's just in place, barely. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the other pipe, the driver's side pipe.
Where are you?
Hold on, over here. Hello.
Where?
Hello.
Right.
Hold on, sir. Let me put a bolt in here. All right, that was easy. Matthew, wasn't that easy?
Yes. Diabetes?
Nope.
Diabetes?
Cramp.
What's
Oh. I got cramp. I think I'm getting too old for this.
Couldn't see.
See what?
That something fell?
No, nothing fell. I got a cramp. Oh, it's like underneath my armpit, seriously. Okay, so we got the little gasket there. Okay. Goodness.
Lay on you.
No, not yet. I gotta lay on here, Matthew. Not your turn, my turn. Hold on, I'm doing a Superman over here. What's so funny?
Yeah.
Because I'm a Superman?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten those two actually. And I'm gonna leave the ones on the manifold loosened a little bit. And I think that'll be it with the up pipe. Everything fits well so far. So we're done for this video. I'm gonna go start cleaning the valley. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.